Hi there, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to disable unknown number WhatsApp call or how to disable unwanted call from your WhatsApp. It's a very simple process, just follow my steps. Open WhatsApp and then tap on three-dot line. Then click here Settings option. Then go to Privacy. And right now you need to do something in here, just click on Last Seen and Online, and select My Contacts. Now one time go back, and also you need to click here Groups option, and then select My Contacts. If you don't choose it, that time some people add your number into group, and that time they can call you, that's why you need to choose this one My Contacts. And after that click on Calls option, and then click here Turn it on. That's it. Now if you call from an unknown number, will not get call, but it will appear in your calls notification. So by this easiest process you can disable your WhatsApp call for unknown number. Thanks for watching. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notification icon.